How to use Canva courses. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Canva courses step by step guide. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to canva.com and then log into Canva if you have not already. And also, if you are using Android or iOS, just make sure to download the Canva official app and then log in. Don't worry, it's completely free to log in on Canva. So let's get started. First of all, at this search bar here, you can see the search bar. You can simply search for Canva courses, or the top left corner here you can see this plus icon, which is basically the create icon. Here you can just simply search for Canva course, and then you will see some previously made courses. Wait, let me find one. You can see this, there are some course sizes. Also you can create custom course if you wish to. So for now I'm gonna tap onto this one. Also you can choose any other one, for example this. Here you can just create a certificate, and here you can see you can use them. Also you can choose custom width, height and pixels or units. You can upload also if you wish to, and many more. Just find your preferred course. Here you can see a lot of type of courses, templates. For example, here you can see this some. Also you can just simply head over to project section, and from here project section, here you can search for courses and you'll get even better templates or designs. For example, I will show you right now Canva courses. Wait, let me type in perfectly. So let's go. There we go. Now search for it and you can get some Canva course styles. For example, this one here, you can see this templates. So here I choose the random course template. Now let me show you how you can design it. For example, I'm gonna add some text. Okay, for this I'm gonna use ChatGPT right now to make this easier to find characteristics and modules. So let me go to ChatGPT. Send me full details for making Canva course on cooking. So there we go. So first of all, we are gonna add this text here. Okay, now let's add this type here. You have to choose any other example. For example, I'm gonna copy this whole one, that how to create a cooking course. So now let's add a text box right here and paste the whole text. So there we go. Now let's place the text perfectly here in between at the top corner. Now let's edit this text one by one. For example, this one, course objective, I'm gonna make it gradient right from here. Let's make it gradient. Okay, let's not make it gradient, just add a color to it. Let's change the font of it from this one to I would like to add this to this one. Okay, this does not look pretty. Let me change it again. Okay, I think this one is perfect. Now let's edit this whole text from here. Let me choose another format like fonts. First of all, wait, just go to canvas and let me choose some perfect fonts for this one. Okay, so before we get started, let me add the background to it. So to add background, here you can see this uploads option. From uploads you can upload your background very easily, but this background is not perfect. Let me add this one. This one is pretty nice, a cute cat. So let me make it larger, and let's change the text color right now to something like white. I think white should be must. Black. Let me change the color. Okay, now let's change the font of the change the size of it. Let's make the course objective more bigger. Also, you can add headings differently. By from here you can just tap on to add a heading, and then you can add this like course objectives, and then you can add it at the top. But for now I'm gonna skip this part. Now let's say you want to add more pages for your course, then you can just do it simply right from here. Then you can upload a background image from here. Also, you can just go and search for background images, and then you can search background images from here. Also, if you wish, you can download background images. If you want, you can do that also, and you can change the color of this background size. Let me show you. Just simply tap onto the color section, and from there we can just tap onto gradient color. Let me edit this one. Okay, this is nice, I think. Yeah, you can also edit it more if you wish to. You can add different types of fonts here. Right from here you can just choose one. Then you can add text, you can add elements. For example, you want to add some cooking elements, cooking utensils. Okay, so you can add them if you want. Right from here you can just add few. For example, this one, let's make it shorter here, and then add some text from ChatGPT. For example, this one. Let me copy this text, and then I'm gonna paste it right here. So first of all, I'm gonna add a heading. So let me delete this rest, and then I'm gonna change the color of it. Okay, now I'm gonna add a whole text. So there we go. This is how you can create a course. Just edit everything according to your need. It completely depends on your creativity, that how much you can edit, and use Canva. Just use it and change your styles, editing styles, your texting styles, and you can add more images. You can use tools. Also, you can generate AI based images if you want to, and it will generate you some images. You can just add them to your Canva courses. And lastly, let me show you how we can upload it. At the top right corner you can check out this share options, share option. You just simply have to tap onto share. Here you can see these images here. You can add them right here and make your course look more professional, and use more colors and text elements, for example sparkles. Let me show you. There we go. You can add sparkles right here. So this is basically how you can create a Canva courses. Then tap on to share, then you can download it. Also, you can add it to your website or any other merged app. So that was pretty much it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.